Keyless Enter and Go allows you to enter, start, and shut off your vehicle without ever touching your key fob, as long as the key fob can be detected by the vehicle. With the Keyless Enter and Go key fob within 5 feet or 1.5 meters of the driver's door handle, just grab the driver's front door handle, like this, to unlock the driver's door automatically. The sensor is inside the door handle. The front passenger door works the same way. To lock all of the vehicle's doors, push either of the lock buttons located on the outside of the front door handles. Just make sure that the Keyless Enter and Go key fob is within 5 feet or 1.5 meters of the front door handle in use. And be careful not to push the unlock sensor inside the door handle at the same time, or the door could unlock. The vehicle doors can also be locked by using the lock button located on the vehicle's interior door panel or the lock button on the key fob. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.